Here's a C4 to take a look at it. Unique, especially in classics. It's a 1996 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, 68,761, I believe it reads on there right now. We'll check that out at the end of the video. But first, let's take a look at this fascia. As you can see, paint on this one shows well. Definitely well taken care of car. Yeah, I mean, it's been driven a few miles. You may find a little touch up here and there, but overall, I have not noticed any major mixed dings or scratches. Of course, LT1 350 power underneath the hood, paired up with the automatic with overdrive transmission in this one. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. And I want to mention this. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan will be included with this vehicle. That may be extendable up to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And if you'd like to take your time, look at the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct saw blade wheels. Continental Extreme Contact radials. Black leather interior. Power seats both sides. Leather. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up here for you. At the end of the video, we'll also put the top up. The top would be black cloth. Also in nice shape, of course, dual exhaust. Remember, we can assist with transportation. Financing is available. And of course, we do consider trades. You can look in the pictures, there's a few things that will go with it. Looks like the original air intake. There's a cup holder there. Some of the extra wheel lug covers, license plate cover. Check them out in the still pictures. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on that link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, these have the manual top. One person can put it up in less than a minute. Very simple tops to operate. All right. AC does blow cold in this one. Did have the radio working, both power seats working. Come over here, you can see power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Carpeting also nice shape in this one. Does have the door sill protectors. Of course, leather seating. And that is worn about like you'd expect. No rips, tears, holes. Just kind of the natural height of the leather and how it wrinkles from getting in and out and being sat on. It's fired up. Of course, 96 last year, the C4s. There's your exact miles, if you can see that. There it is, 68,761. Top of the dash looks good. I mentioned radio's working. Oops, go ahead and turn the radio working. No check engine light, service engine, anything like that on. Temp gauge for the oil and the water temp. That was a cold start, so I would expect those to be up. You can see oil pressure good. That's just a seatbelt light that you see on there. Let's check this out too. Headlights. Working condition. Working well. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Check newer tires too. Plenty of tread depth. And again, LT1 350 power, 5.7 liter. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Little cold air intake on there. But again, the stock one will go with it. Kind of a nice setup. Want to get that V8 to breathe a little better. All right, let me pause this. I want to get this top up. Now, of course, boy, I said one person can do this rather easy. Let me see if I can do it one-handed. Let's try it. What the heck? It might get a little tricky. Top up. Now, of course, I don't have it latched, but want to give me a second? I'm going to latch it real quick. Let me make sure it's nice and tight. Finish up this video. There, after a quick latch job, nice and tight above the windshield. This is fabric. Let me step back to it. Washes out a little bit when I get on top of it. There's the true color. It's nice black. As I get up on top of it, you can see it washes it out. That is not the color. There's how it looks in person. Glass in the rear window. Also left the radio on so you can see the power antenna's working. The top fits nice and tight, free of rips, tears, holes. It'll keep you dry. Or if you want the AC on and the top up, keep the sun out. Nice looking C4, 1996 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, clean Carfax, actual miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included with the purchase may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we insist on transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a 1996 Chevrolet Corvette, finished in white. This is a convertible. There's a little bit of snow left on the ground in Minnesota, but the roads are primarily dry, and we do wash our vehicles, so we can do these driving videos for you. Our digital fuel gauge is reading almost full. Tachometer is working. All the other gauges appear to be working. Volts are approximately 14. Temperature is approximately 190. Oil temperature is at the bottom of the gauge, which is good. Oil pressure is about 40 to 50. Great acceleration. Goes nice and straight down the road. It's not pulling to either side. This is an automatic on the center console. Easy to drive. Radio works great. It's a smooth ride. Brakes are working well. Got an all black interior. Looks nice. Leather seating is comfortable. Go around this roundabout and accelerate one more time. Good run in 1996 Chevrolet Corvette convertible. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.